Welcome to SNN Live. We're broadcasting live from our studio in Los Angeles, California. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and today on the program we have Bob Goldstein from U.S. Nuclear Corp, publicly traded company. The symbol is UCLE, and Jerry Simmons from MIFTech, a private company. Gentlemen, welcome back to SNN Live.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you so much.
It's great to have you back. So to start off, let's get an overview of each company. Bob, let's start with you.
Sure. So U.S. Nuclear Corp is traditionally a radiation measurement company. We're also now doing chemical sensors and making radioisotopes, and we're very excited to be here today.
Great. Jerry?
I'm the CEO and co-founder of MIFTech Laboratories in Irvine, California, and we are planning and designing a machine to produce radionuclides, which will be built by Bob Goldstein's company, U.S. Nuclear, to provide life-saving medicines, which there is a major worldwide shortage now because of fission reactors around the world being closed for one reason or another.
So now I want to come back to you, Bob, on this one. Let's get an update in the company. What's been going on and maybe a little bit about why you're here today.
Certainly. So Jerry and I have just finalized an agreement between our two companies, between U.S. Nuclear Corp and MIFTech Laboratories. We've exchanged stock and cash, and we're ready to go.
All right. So then my next question actually is for you, Jerry. Let's get into it a little bit. Maybe about the use of proceeds. What are your intentions with this new infusion?
Well, with these funds, we are now able to bring in experts that have a lot of experience from a national laboratory that'll help us design and help us along the way to build a machine to produce these radionuclides. That was a missing link. But now that we have these individuals online and with this cooperative agreement with U.S. Nuclear and Mr. Goldstein, like he said, we are ready to go.
And Bob, coming back to you, from your perspective,
Yeah.
Why did you and the company make this investment?
So when I discovered that MIFTech Laboratories was developing fusion, which has been they sought after for 50 years, and nobody was doing it. But when I realized that MIFTech was actually succeeding in their fusion experiments, I realized over some time that the neutrons that the fusion develops can be used for making medical isotopes. And reading the newspaper, I know that there's a worldwide shortage of medical isotopes, and I'm a physics guy and I run a physics company, and so I thought it'd be a perfect fit to help these scientists build their equipment and build and sell their equipment to make the world a better place.
And where can our audience go and find more information about both companies? Jerry for MIFTech?
MIFTech, the website would be MIFTech, MIFTEC.com.
And Bob?
usnuclearcorp.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host today on this SNN Live, and we're broadcasting from our studio in Los Angeles, California. With me again is Bob Goldstein from U.S. Nuclear Corp, publicly traded company. The symbol is UCLE, and also Jerry Simmons from MIFTech, private company. Gentlemen, thank you again for joining me today.
Well, thanks so much. Enjoyed it.